In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth under Wi-Fi. Now tap on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on the same icon next to the device, select Unpair under Rename, and to connect to the same one, just tap on it and hit Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!